Hey everyone, and welcome to my Carry Telecom Internet review. Find their plans and services linked below. In this video, we'll explore what Carry Telecom offers, its features, and who it's best for. This Canadian provider offers affordable internet for both homes and businesses. They have high-speed options with a variety of plans for different needs. Whether you're a light user or need fast speeds for streaming, gaming, or working from home, Carry Telecom delivers. They offer DSL and fiber optic internet, so you can choose a plan that fits your budget and usage. One of Carry Telecom's best features is its competitive pricing. Their plans are some of the most affordable available, making them great for budget-conscious consumers. Plus, every plan comes with unlimited data. No more worrying about overage charges, even with heavy usage. Stream, game, and work online freely. Carry Telecom also prioritizes reliable customer support, available 24/7 to help with any issues. While their coverage area may not be as extensive as larger providers, they offer strong customer service for efficient problem solving. Their fiber optic plans are ideal for high-demand users needing consistent, fast speeds. However, availability may be limited in some regions, so check if Carry Telecom covers your area. Overall, Carry Telecom is an excellent choice for affordable, high-speed internet with unlimited data. Looking for reliable internet without breaking the bank? Carry Telecom is definitely worth checking out. See the description for more details on their plans. Thanks for watching.